I came to Boise, Idaho for college in August of 2022. Alone, leaving everything, including my family in Texas. It was hard at times, not to mention sometimes lonely, but I learned so much about myself in ways that I didn't think were possible. This campus has my heart, and the friends that I've made here are simply the best. But all good things must come to an end. And it saddens me to say that I will not be returning to Boise State University in the fall of 2023. Am I really about to do this? Welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline, and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. I need to calm down. Backtrack a little bit. I just finished my last day of school here at Boise State University as a freshman in college, and I'm not gonna be coming back here next semester because I'm going to semester. I can't even believe I'm doing this. This is crazy. Doing things that I never thought I would be doing, and I'm going to be taking y'all obviously with me for the whole entire thing. I will be attending the fall 2023 voyage with Semester at Sea. If you have no idea what Semester at Sea is, that's okay because you're about to have your mind blown. I'm literally so excited. When did I first find out that I was going here? February of this year, 2023. I figured out that I was going to be attending in the fall. Semester at Sea basically reached out to me and they wanted me to be a content creator on the ship for SAS 2023. And of course I said, hell yeah. I've always wanted to do this. I'd seen it all over my YouTube, all over my TikTok. It's crazy because I had already been telling myself and like feeling like God was pulling me to either study abroad my sophomore year or my junior year, but I didn't even consider Semester at Sea as like a possibility. It's a thing, and the process is actually really not that hard. I'm choosing my classes next week and registering for them, which is gonna be so much fun. If you've ever watched Sweet Life on Deck with Zach and Cody, Semester at Sea is basically that. So you do college on a floating ship. There are so many different types of classes and things that you can take, and you go to all of these different countries. I'm gonna read y'all the list of countries that I'll be going to. We start in Belgium. We leave Belgium, go to Morocco, then Malta, then Spain, then Greece, go through the canal transit to Jordan, Dubai, India, Malaysia, Vietnam, and then we leave from Thailand back to wherever we are. This will be over the course of a whole semester, so like September through December, which sadly means that I will not be doing Vlogmas this year. I feel like I should just get that out of the way because that's probably gonna be a question that gets asked. I am sad that I'm not gonna be doing Vlogmas, but I mean, you're gonna basically get a whole series of me doing college on a ship. And I feel like maybe that's better and makes up for missing 1 year of Vlogmas. If any of y'all don't know, I'm half Vietnamese. My mom was born in Vietnam, came here when she was 5 years old, and my sister has been to Vietnam, and obviously my mom has, but I have never been. And so it's kind of like I feel like it's a God moment that I'm gonna be placed there as one of my last destinations on the trip. And also this means that I will be leaving my house and living in like a ship cabin and with a roommate. I reached out to this girl who is going to be attending Semester at Sea. There's like a fall 2023 Instagram page that I was obviously stalking, and I haven't posted anything yet because I wanted to make this announcement formally before I went on there. I was kind of nervous because I've never had the traditional college experience with living alone here in my house. Obviously, a lot of my friends have roommates, and some live off campus with roommates, some live on campus, but I'm the only one out of my friends who lives alone. I don't know, I was like really anxious reaching out to her, but I saw her on the Semester at Sea page and I was like, okay, she's gorgeous, she looks like she and I would get along, and so I reached out and we are going to be roomies. Yeah, that's really exciting. I can't wait to have that college roommate experience. During the days where we're on the ship traveling from country to country, that's when we have classes. And then once we get to each different country, you can get Airbnbs with friends, travel around, take flights, trains, whatever. It's just a really, really cool process, and I literally am so excited. Like, I'm speechless, and every time that I talk about it, I just get so giddy because I can't believe that I'm actually going to be going on semester at sea. There are things though that are called field days where for some of your classes, when you get to a country, you and your class do field work that integrate the material you learn during travel days in that country. So for example, if I'm taking like a cooking class, we'll learn it on the days where I'm traveling, and then once I get to Spain or Morocco or something, then we'll do a whole day of field work dedicated to meeting locals and cooking. This is gonna be the most enriching experience of learning that I've ever had. Now I'm just gonna answer some questions that I think people are probably going to ask in the comments, and so hopefully this clears things up for anyone curious. First off, I am going to be obviously spending the rest of my college experience here at Boise State University. I'm just gonna be leaving for the semester. Did y'all like that dramatic intro? It's weird to think that I'll be back in spring of 2024 because I'm currently in spring of 2023 right now, and that way I can finish off my 4 years. I might have to take summer classes though. Ideally, I would like to graduate early if possible. However, if it doesn't work out and I just need to graduate in the 4-year time frame, I'm totally okay with that. Next thing I want to answer is where Matcha is going to be staying. I don't even want to think about it, but I'm going to miss him so much, and he is going to be staying in Texas with my other 2 Yorkies as well as my parents. I took him down there for Easter, and then my parents just suggested that I leave him there until I come back later in May, just so he can kind of get adapted to the dog. Traveling with the dog one way is like $100 because they count as a checked bag. Basically, they said, save your money, leave him here. You're gonna be back here in less than a month anyways. It was horrible. When I left him in Texas after Easter, I was crying on the plane, and I think I call my parents probably like 3 times a day just to ask if I can see Matcha. He's gonna be okay. He loves Leo and Lacey. I think I'm gonna be less okay than him. Next question. I'm trying to think of some other questions that people might have. I will be posting and documenting this whole experience. If you want like a whole TV series to just binge watch of a very unique college experience, then I would definitely encourage you to subscribe down below, because you are gonna get that. I'm gonna make sure that this content is quality and top tier. That's the big announcement. Feeling very blessed and grateful to have this opportunity to do this, and I just cannot wait to meet so many people, disconnect from the world while also making lifelong friendships. If you know somebody or are going on semester at sea fall of 2023, comment down below because I would love to become friends. All right, and with that, I'm announcing this really early just so y'all know. There's gonna be a big chunk of content, and then we'll get into all the semester at sea stuff, but I just wanted to formally announce it here. It's gonna be a party. With that, I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Ciao.
I've always loved